Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off notifications on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen, and you want to select the Settings gear button, and then select the Apps tile, and then select All Apps. Scroll down and locate the Instagram app and select it. And then select where it says notifications. If you want to disable notifications, you want to click inside of that oval one time to toggle it to left to disable that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.